Today, we're going to look at how to create a customer feedback survey using NPS and CSAT style questions in Outgrow. Start by logging in to your Outgrow dashboard and choosing the survey content type. You can either start from scratch or pick a pre-made template. For this example, we'll select the Custom Feedback Analyzer template. Now, let's start by adding your questions. Begin with a welcome statement like, "Your feedback is valuable for us." Then continue adding a few key questions, such as, select the product or service you purchased from us. Rate the promptness of our initial response. Taking everything into account, how satisfied were you overall? How likely are you to use our services again? If you were dissatisfied with something, please share your feedback. Keep your survey short and focused by including around 4 to 5 important questions. Next, you can enable a lead generation form to collect user details like name and email before showing the results. Now move to the results screen. Here you can add formulas and use conditional messaging to display personalized results based on user responses. This helps you segment users and show different messages to satisfied and unsatisfied customers. After that, head over to the Design tab. Here you can customize the overall look by adding your logo, updating brand colors, and selecting fonts that match your style. Once everything is set up, click on Go Live. You can now share the live URL or embed the survey directly on your website. And that's how you can create a simple yet effective customer feedback survey in Outgrow using NPS and CSAT style questions. Ready to collect smarter feedback? Start building your survey with Outgrow's free trial today